So here's part 4. Pero yun nga lang, walang kuryente. And it was really difficult because it was really uncomfortable. Kasi yung ginagawa ko, a friend of mine, nagpahiram siya ng portable electric fan. Sina-charge ko lang siya. Yun yung ginagamit ko paggabi. Then during daytime, I'd usually go to the gym. Habang nag-gym, doon na rin ako nag-charge. Pero parang in a way, umabot din ako sa sarili ko na parang, Lord, nakakaawa na ako. And I was really longing and waiting for God's answer kung ano yung plano niya sa buhay ko. Kasi to be honest, wala akong plan sa self ko. Hindi ko alam paano gagawin. I was only clinging on kung anong plano ng Panginoon sa akin. So yun na nga. I was actually waiting for Monday kasi I was scheduled for an interview. It was an interview with a company and I liked the project. I was actually excited about it. But then, to be honest, I'm just glad na nangyari din yun sa akin. Na walang kuryente. On the 5th night, sabi ko, Lord, I'm so uncomfortable na. Pagod na ako sa ganitong situation. Ano ba talaga plan mo sa akin? Like for